reported Embraer jet runway 35, clear to land.
35, clear to land, proficiency micrometer.
I'm going to descend to 3,000.
Okay. I would do 2,500, not 3,000.
Okay.
I want to be at an IFR altitude.
Jet 336, contact Boston departure 6.
I don't want to be at an IFR altitude.
About 3,000 was okay, and then above that you're in a...
It's legal,
okay,
but it's dumb. Because Boston brings planes in at 3,000 feet right here.
Okay.
Coming into Bedford.
Gotcha, okay.
IFR planes. You're correct that it's legal.
Yeah.
On spot. The two are not always the same.
Carrot. 16 miles, we could let them know.
Do it at 10.
Okay. 3-5 still?
3-5, yep. Information, Quebec.
Cirrus 426 micrometer, we're going.
Cirrus 6 micro, roger, make right close track, report midfield.
Right traffic, report midfield.
Go crosswind. I think I see it, the white tower right there. For some reason it disconnected the track feature. I'll see if it kicked it up on my phone or whatever. I knew it picked it up somewhere.
Flight away will have it. Radar 24 will have it.
How do I turn that off, by the way?
You can't. Why are we going at 200 feet a minute?
Oh, well, it did have us hitting it right there, but... How do you feel about if I just go to the pattern altitude? A little bit above it, I'll do 1,500. So, my personal opinion, I feel like if I'm 500 feet above pattern altitude when I enter into the place, I can get to the pattern altitude pretty easily. It's too far of a stretch.
The airspace is 4 miles. But you typically need 3 miles to go down 1,000 feet.
Okay.
Cirrus 426 micrometer, runway 35, clear to land.
Let me know. Okay.
Sure.
Runway 35, 46 micrometer.
Norwood Tower, Cirrus 234, Charlie Lima, with information Quebec, about 10 miles to the northwest.
Cirrus 234, Charlie Lima, Norwood Tower, and report midfield left downwind, runway 35.
Reporting midfield, left downwind, runway 35 for Charlie Lima, thank you.
Makes sense?
Yep, exactly what I thought.
So you could be 1,000 feet above.
And Cirrus 4 Charlie Lima, traffic at your 11 o'clock in 3 miles, aircraft unknown at 1,700 feet northwest bound.
Look for traffic going to go slightly to the right for Charlie Lima. 600 feet below us?
Yeah. Maybe don't descend too much. Intermittent on ADSB. What's out here has disappeared now. Let's keep our eyes outside. Nothing inside that will help us.
I do not see it.
That says he's 3 miles away, so you won't. He's 3 miles away. Less concerning. Let's head for the airport.
Cirrus 6 Mike, Romeo, you can turn left at Bravo and contact ground point. Have a great day.
Oh, sorry about that.
Norwood Tower, helicopter 93, Bravo Hotel is over Brockton with Quebec, looking to go direct to the north ramp.
Helicopter 93, Bravo Hotel, Norwood Tower, port 1 mile.
Practice is always off compared to outside.
93, Bravo Hotel.
There's nothing wrong with it.
What do you mean it's off?
Like, obviously, like, if I tried landing up the runway with this, it would be off by about, like, 500 feet, 1,000.
I recommend looking out the window. That's reality.
Fair enough.
Altitude.
Absolutely right.
Exit.
Norwood Tower, Cirrus 234, Charlie Lima, reporting midfield, downwind for 35.
Cirrus 234, Charlie Lima, runway 35, clear to land.
35, clear to land for Charlie Lima, thank you.
Altitude.
Just check finals clear before you turn. The other way. Good habit to look right before you turn left.
Helicopter 36, Romeo Hotel, traffic, Cirrus in the 1 mile left base, runway 35, port traffic in sight.
Inside 6, Romeo Hotel.
Helicopter 6, Romeo Hotel, pass behind that traffic, landing at the north ramp will be at your own risk, land at 330 at 8.
Is it possible to do a couple laps on the pattern for 6 Romeo Hotel?
500.
It's no longer available.
Helicopter 386, Romeo Hotel, number 2 following the Cirrus, runway 35, clear for the option. On the go, make right close traffic.
Okay, number 2 behind the Cirrus, right close traffic for 6 Romeo Hotel.
What's your aiming point?
Numbers.
Speed looks good.
Added a little bit more power.
I would have just rounded out a little bit. Let's get on the center line. Is your error braking?
Cirrus 234, Charlie Lima, turn left when able and contact ground point 8. Have a great day.
Turn left when able and have a good day. For Charlie Lima, thank you.
Norwood Tower, my flight 1, we're south on the runway at 1000, request a transition to the south.
My flight 1, Norwood Tower, transition approved, altimeter 2976.
2976, approved, my one.
Yourself clear the runway before you start cleaning up.
Norwood Tower, KOWD ready for departure.
All the way over that line.
Carry 87.
And do your post-landing checklist. An examiner's going to
Sort of runway 3.
get anal about that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Helicopter 93 Bravo Hotel, proceed westbound and across the runway 35 extended line and landing at the north ramp be at your own risk, wind 350 at 8. Company traffic helicopter, short final runway 35.
Company traffic inside, cross westbound, 35 direct to the ramp, 386 runway, or 93 Bravo Hotel.
Landing departing, runway 35.
Norgrad, Cirrus 234 Charlie Lima at Alpha, just clear the runway 35.
Cirrus 234 Charlie Lima, Norground, taxi to the ramp via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, 4 Charlie Lima, thank you. Alright, was that, I flared way too high?
I wouldn't say a bit too high. I wouldn't call it way too high.
I felt like I was like trying to flare and it was just like dropping.
Yeah, because you rounded out a little bit too high, so then you ran out of energy and it drops.
Yeah.
But it wasn't your best landing, but I'm sure it wasn't your worst. Darling. You were off center line as well.
I was on center line when I came in.
and then you weren't.
And then I wasn't.
Doesn't count.
Is that?
It doesn't count.
Oh, fair enough.
Carry 87, right turn out to the southeast is approved, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 3, and south, right turn to the southeast, approved KOWD 7.